Howdy folks, Jeff here, certified car care professional. Remember, my videos are not how-to videos, they're just car care tips. And what I want to show you today is we had this one in here and it had a noise up on the front end. Whenever you have a noise, always go to your certified shop and let them know where you're hearing the noise, let them check it out. In this particular case, it's time for brakes. And so what's involved? Well, remember, I'm not a how-to video, but I'm going to show you right here a little bit of what's involved on the brakes. And I've taken all the bolts loose here, so we pull the caliper out of the way, and we'll put that up there so we're not straining on the brake line. And I've already got these bolts back here loose. And what happens is you have friction material supposed to be right here. As you can see, there's nothing here. It's just down to the bare metal. And so what happens is the metal to metal, and that's not going to stop your car, folks. You got to have some material there. And so in this particular case, this is a rotor, and so it's time for another rotor. We're going to have to replace this rotor and then put on some new brakes. And of course, whenever possible, we're using the Wagner OEX. But that's what I want to show you. And remember, when you're doing the brakes, when you're doing anything, remember the B System Smart. We're already here at the brakes, so we want to take a look at the tires, check the air pressure, check the wear on them. We're already right here. You see all of this stuff is already off, so we want to peek right here and look at our axle, our half shafts, look at the boost. We're right here. We want to look at the suspension, make sure that we're not leaking anything right here. And so that's part of, and look at the other parts of the suspension that are right here. Over here we got the drag links. And so that's part of what B System Smart is. It doesn't apply only just to belts and hoses and the water pumps and all that. B System Smart can apply to any part that you're working on. We want to look at the whole system. As always, I appreciate y'all tuning in, and if you can't get down to our shop, then be sure and check a shop in your area, certified shop in your area.